but there's no any positive outcome that we've got so far. My plea to the government and to the people of Kenya is to help us get our brother and a Kenyan citizen also, so that at least if he's dead or alive, at least we get to know what's next. And at the moment, it is 24 hours.
Yesterday with him at the service center in Westland. So we're just getting out from the mall, which is the parking lot. The guys just appear like when we get out. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
I think in this police station, Parklands police station, when you go ahead to ask who towed this vehicle, who brought this vehicle here, no officer can give you any answer whatsoever. So you wonder, you mean we are living in an era of magic where vehicles just appear and disappear in the police stations? As a country, we must be serious. The President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, promised this country and the people that this idea of disappearance, Kenyans disappearing, will come to an end.
And I'm here to report a case about my brother who works with the county as a liaison officer. And my brother, Osman Khalif, was abducted yesterday as he was leaving him with his wife from Sarit Center. Unknown abducted men, and they were armed, took him from the parking outside Sarit Center. And until now, we have no any whereabouts about Mr. Osman Khalif. Immediately, the wife called us and informed us about the situation of what had happened. We quickly rushed to the scene of crime, and then we accompanied all of us together to the police station. I mean the nearest police station, which is Parkland Police Station. We reported the case, and by now it's 24 hours, and we have no any information about the whereabouts of Mr. Osman Khalif. And we've tried to cooperate with the respective officers within the station, but there's no any positive outcome that we've got so far. My plea to the government and to the people of Kenya is to help us get our brother and a Kenyan citizen also, so that at least if he's dead or alive, at least we get to know what's next. And at the moment, it is 24 hours. We have no clue about him. No one is helping us. And the funny part, or maybe the weird part of the story, is that I found today in the morning the car that he was driving yesterday at the police station. As we tried to ask the officers, there was no any information, a logic information that we were given. So briefly, that is the thing. We are missing our brother, and we are asking the entire bodies and the respective units to help us.
Thank you.
Okay, maybe you said that he was abducted yesterday at around 30
Yes.
and he was in the company of the wife.
Yes.
Maybe what were the circumstances? Were the people who were abducting him armed? Were they in uniform?
Yes, there were 5, and they were armed. There were 5 of them with a double cabin, white. It was KCT 163H. That was the registration number. The wife was there. Osman tried, to resist, because they were armed. They didn't even introduce themselves either as let's say the police officers or maybe thugs or something like that. So we don't know. We cannot say it's the government. We cannot say it's thugs or maybe any other person. The wife was mishandled, was sexually harassed, and after some few minutes, she was the one who called us, and we quickly rushed to the scene of crime, which was outside Sarit Center.
I am Osman. I'm sorry. I am Yasmin Osman, which is the wife of Osman Khalif. I was yesterday with him at the service center in Westland. So we're just getting out from the mall, which is the parking lot. There's the guys just appear like when we get out. I'm sorry, I can't do it.
I think she's too emotional. She cannot continue from there. The main thing is Osman is missing, and the wife was manhandled, sexually harassed.
Yeah,
and she's not even in a position to speak. She's somehow emotional. Former MCA, South Sea Ward, from 2017 to 2022, and then after there he joined Sakaja's county's government, and he was appointed as the liaison officer. And Osman is one of the most influential young men within the city, and I think that is the brief information. Let's say Osman was a politician and is well known. He's well known by the youths and generally the citizens of Nairobi.
Has there ever been an attempt to abduct him before?
No, this is the first case we've had about abduction.
Sorry, I know the wife is a bit emotional. Obviously, this was a very dangerous situation that she had to go through.
Okay.
She mentioned that she was assaulted. Could you just briefly describe that on her behalf?
Okay. Because she told me earlier before she was assaulted. As you know, these people, they didn't even introduce themselves. So as she was trying to involve herself by protecting the husband, she was manhandled, sexually harassed, and she was even slapped, and it took her some few minutes to come back and collect her senses back for her to make calls and give out the information about Osman.
You said earlier on you had made a report. Where have you made the report and what have you told?
Because the scene of crime is near to this Parkland police station, immediately after she called us, we came there at Service Center, and then we came back. We came to the police station. That's where we made the report, expecting to have a good, a report from the respective authority that works with the police station. But unfortunately, it is 24 hours. My brother is not there. We are missing a Kenyan citizen and an influential person within the city.
And have you been told how did they come money to get yourself here?
I have not been told. We have not even get us any, any sort of cooperation. We have not been given. There's no one in the office. The one you are getting there, okay, actually, those who made the report yesterday night, today they were not there. As we came in the morning, we just wanted a simple report from the police station that can take us to the service center to get the CCTV. Unfortunately, we were told that they traveled yesterday night to Isiolo. So there was no one with our case. Those people with our case, they are not there.
So where are the car keys and his phones?
Within the compound of the police station at the parking.
The car keys?
The car keys, no, I cannot, because those are personal belongings of Osman. So I cannot say where they are.
But the car is?
The car is within the compound.
And his phone?
His phone, I cannot say. That's it's a mobile phone. It's off. Immediately after I got the information, I called him, and it was off until now.
All right. Before we bring in the lawyers, being the liaison of the governor, have you reached out
to who?
to you, to the family?
To the family.
And to help in a way.
To reach to who?
The governor.
Okay, the governor is out of the country.
Yes.
He's out of the country, but he's aware. He has been informed, and so far there's no good communication because once he's out of the country, and actually we were just dealing with the police stations and the police and the DCI officers to get the help from them, because at the moment once the governor is out of the country, we cannot get any help apart from the people who are at the ground. Yeah.
Is the lawyer?
The lawyer is around here. He's with me. Mr. Osman.
Just briefly, as the legal representative
Inside, come this way. Move a bit.
Oh, sure.
Move a bit. Yeah. Apple. Pull up.
Thank you very much. I'm Oringe Waswa. I'm here with my colleague, Mr. Okach. and we are here as the advocates or legal representatives of the family and the advocates, official advocates of Ndugu Osman Abdi. It is quite unfortunate that in this time and age we are still experiencing this kind of issues as a country. Yeah, clear abductions without any reason. We will expect that if someone is arrested, we'll find them in any police station. We will expect that if you arrest someone today, then the police will take responsibility that they have the person in custody. It's unfortunate that we've moved in almost all these police stations. Even some OCS have given us a chance to move and confirm ourselves in the cells. We can't see Osman. What do you mean? As a country? And yet to arrest someone claiming a DCI. No, I think as a country we must take responsibility. It's unfortunate that as a country we are behaving like a banana republic, where the law doesn't matter. It doesn't matter what we have now. For me, if you ask me now, these laws will become just papers, mere papers and writings, surely. So we want to urge the government of the Republic of Kenya to follow the law. If at all you want Kenyans to follow the law, then as a government, you must show lead by example so that you also follow the law. There are three things that are coming out and they are so scary. Osman was abducted at 4 p.m. in a very busy mall in this country, Sarit Center. Those claiming to be officers were armed with pistols, assaulted the wife, yeah, then took away Osman, and up to now, no officer, not even the Inspector General, is able to account for this Kenyan. Is this the country we want to live in? The second thing that comes also out clearly, and it's unfortunate, is what the brother has mentioned. When we came here to make a report, we found Osman's vehicle in this police station, Parklands police station. When you go ahead to ask who towed this vehicle, who brought this vehicle here, no officer can give you any answer whatsoever. So you wonder, you mean we are living in an era of magic where vehicles just appear and disappear in the police stations? As a country, we must be serious. The President of the Republic of Kenya, William Samoei Ruto, promised this country and the people that this idea of disappearance, Kenyans disappearing, will come to an end. But it's like he was just singing a song. They have not stopped, and it seems like it's the order of the day. So what we are asking is that please grant this family peace of mind. We're not saying that that is born or maybe he can't be arrested. He can't be arrested. Any Kenyan can be arrested. But if at all there's anything that he has done, then can you tell the family where their loved one is? What are the charges? They try to apply also for bond, grant them. We know it's a prerogative of the police to grant or deny. But at least can you just tell the family where their loved one is? Is that too much to ask? So we call upon the IG, we call upon the president, and we call upon every Kenyan to stand up and at least bring this issue to light.
Thank you. Very fast, what legal action or remedy do you have within the law and the constitution concerning this matter?
At the moment, we have made we've made those reports. There's a report for abduction, which was made, missing person, a report for sexual assault, which was which the wife went through. What we've agreed also, and looking at, it's not a coincidence. We are having a very long weekend. It's so coincidental. We are going to apply for habeas corpus. so that the police can produce Osman.
Yes, in court.
They have to produce Osman in court, and they must come to court and explain where he has been all this time.
Yes.
Yeah, there's no law that grants the police the power to hide an arrested person. That will fly beyond Article 50, 49 and 50. So we want to say that we are going to explore all legal remedies to make sure that even those officers are brought to book personally, not even as a government. People think that now you'll sue the government. No, we'll sue those officers in person. That's what we're looking at.
Thank you.
Yes.